Hi everyone, Which One Willy here, and today I have a new experiment for you. Today, we're going to be taking these two rocket-powered fireworks and find out which one flies higher in the air. I have the rocket-powered bee and the rocket-powered helicopter. If you think the helicopter or the bee is going to go further, pause the video and tell your instructor. Okay everybody, we're back and ready to start the experiment. For the first launch, it's gonna be the green... Wait a second, where's my green firework? Dr. Hans, it's on your head! Okay, we're back. Sorry about that, Mr. Hans. I think you're better now, right? Yes, Willy, much better. That was really scary. Okay, so for our first contestant, we're going to take off the green firework. Are you ready? Let's get a countdown. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! That one went way over there. I want to do another one. Let's try the little bee firework. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, that one went really far too. Let's go find them. All right, let's go find the fireworks. Follow me. It looks like the bee is right here. And let's go find the helicopter. And the helicopter's all the way over here. Wow, that was awesome! And the winner was... the helicopter! If you got it right, scream real loud! And see you next time on Which One Willy?